So I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm like a week or 2 weeks behind on a lot of these review videos, these unboxings. And before I start filming or anything, usually once I get a box in, I like to cover up my address. So I really have no idea what's in this box. I know it's one of 2 items, but which particular shoe it is, I don't know. But we're going to find out together. So this is really going to be an authentic unboxing because I don't know what's in the box. Okay, I know what it is now. Shout out to the rule of necks and the packing slip. But as you can see, man, we got a pair of Crocs. And it's definitely not what you think, unless like you already know what came in this box. But for the average viewer, it's not what you think. Hey, yo, shout out to Bivens, man. He put me onto these. I had no idea this shoe even existed, let alone they dropped. I know Commonwealth had them. He sent me the reel they posted because he never seen them either. But of course, when I went to buy them, my 12 was sold out. But I was able to do some Googles and I found them. So here we go. Designed in Colorado, whatever that means. Let's do the unveiling together because this is going to be a surprise to a lot of y'all. Yeah, you weren't expecting these, I'm sure. Let me get the other one out. Oh, man. So, here we have the Crocs Nova Trek in the elephant colorway. I don't know, something about these, though. They are, like, tough to me. I know a lot of people are not going to like them. You probably clicked off the video already. But if you're still watching this, man, this shoe is so lightweight. I feel like this could have been the Salehi Bembry collab. I'm not a fan of the shoe that he's releasing personally. I think these are like 12 times better in my opinion. But you get like a, what is it, EVA? Almost like an EVA rubber on the upper. You do have this like inner sock liner, but it's like padding. You can't remove it like a lot of the other foam shoes, like the Adi foam joints. You can like remove that sock liner once you unlace them and all that. But these are like attached, so it's meant to be worn this way with the protection and everything. You get some green mesh or elephant mesh. It's like a slate kind of sage, like a slate sage color. I know you say elephant, but I feel like there's like a green hint to it. It's not like gray. I do like the like cream or off-white they threw on this to kind of give it a little contrast. Speckle laces are cool, nothing too crazy. Typical mesh tongue. You do get the Crocs branding on the heel. And this little loop right here, whatever that's for. Maybe if you want to, I don't know. I can't even think of anything like how that could be of use. You do your little Crocs branding right here. The outsole is pretty decent. So it definitely looks like these are meant to be worn outdoors. Not like a house shoe or nothing like that. Pool shoe or whatever. I don't know. It's as weird as it is. It's dope at the same time. Shout out to Rule of Necks. I don't know if I said that before, but they actually had a 12. The only 12 they had left. I'm not sure what the official release date is on these. I know they dropped overseas in March, I want to say. That was like the initial release. And then a U.S. release was soon followed. Not sure when and where, but I'm pretty sure these should be popping up very soon if you want to check them out. But I'm going to throw these on feet and give you like a sizing breakdown comfort-wise, but just off rip, I'm pretty sure these are going to be comfortable just because they are Crocs. I think they're dope. Definitely a shoe that I would wear with like a baggier fit, definitely baggier pants because these look so kind of bulky. But like I said previously, man, do what you want to do. It's your shoe, your style. Everybody's different. I think these will look better personally with a little more bag to it from the pants wise. But, you want to wear skinny jeans or, Adidas soccer pants, whatever you want to do you. But yeah, let me throw these joints on so y'all know if you are checking for these, what size to get. When I copped these originally, I looked at like the resale. The resale was crazy at first. So this is like $120 shoe. Resale was upwards of like $400 or $500. When I looked, they could have dropped by now. I'm not sure, but don't pay that price. It's your bread, do what you want to do, but I would not advise you to pay that price. Just do your Googles, man. You might find. I know a lot of places had them in various sizes. They just didn't have a 12. I got lucky to find one spot with 112 left. Because as soon as I copped, these were sold out in my size. So enough talking, man. Throw these on so y'all know what size to get. So they are definitely light. They actually feel like a regular Croc, just in sneaker form. I mean, same material, so I wouldn't expect anything less. As far as sizing, just go with whatever size you normally wear in Crocs. They don't come in half sizes, so be mindful of that. But overall, though, not bad. I wouldn't wear them with shorts personally. They look kind of crazy, but with the right pair of pants, I think you can definitely pull this off if you choose to do so.